Title: Maximizing Retirement Savings with Dollar Cost Averaging, Illustrated Guide. Today, we're diving into a topic that can significantly impact your financial future: maximizing retirement savings with dollar cost averaging. If you're unfamiliar with this powerful strategy, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how dollar cost averaging works and how it can help you secure a comfortable retirement. Segment 1: Understanding Dollar Cost Averaging. Let's start with the basics. Dollar cost averaging is an investment technique where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. This means you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high, ultimately reducing the average cost per share over time. Segment 2: Benefits of dollar cost averaging. The beauty of dollar cost averaging lies in its ability to mitigate the impact of market volatility. Unlike lump sum investing, where you invest a large sum of money all at once, dollar cost averaging spreads out your investments, helping you navigate market fluctuations more effectively. Segment 3: Illustrating the Power of Consistency. Imagine two investors, Amy and Bob. Amy invests a fixed amount of money every business day, say $10, towards a fund or stock irrespective of the market conditions using dollar cost averaging. Note: to balance your portfolio, it's always recommended to invest in multiple blue-chip stocks using DCA, so that when one of the stock is down, still your other stock might give better returns. Always diversify your risk, while Bob invests a lump sum at the beginning of the year. Despite market ups and downs, Amy's consistent approach allows her to accumulate more wealth over time compared to Bob. Segment 4: Implementing dollar cost averaging. Now that you understand the benefits of dollar cost averaging, how can you implement this strategy? Many investment platforms offer automatic investment plans that allow you to set up recurring contributions, making it easy to stay disciplined and stick to your investment plan. Segment 5: Monitoring and adjusting your strategy. While dollar cost averaging is a powerful strategy, it's essential to monitor your investments regularly and make adjustments as needed. Keep an eye on market trends and your financial goals to ensure your strategy remains aligned with your objectives. Conclusion: by maximizing your retirement savings with dollar cost averaging, you're taking a significant step towards securing a financially stable future. Remember, consistency is key, so start implementing this strategy today and watch your retirement nest egg grow over time. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing! If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who's looking to supercharge their retirement savings. Don't forget to subscribe to Stealthy Finance Tips for more informative content on personal finance and investment strategies. See you in the next video.